This is a 2017 MacBook, and according to Apple, it can't run macOS Sonoma. But in this video, we're going to break the rules. I'll show you how to install Sonoma using an unofficial method that actually works, step by step. Step 1. Let's start by checking the Mac module. Click here. Then, check the current version of macOS installed. Now verify if this MacBook supports the latest version of macOS or not. Click here. Click here. Step 2. Connect your MacBook to the charger. Then, insert an empty USB drive, at least 32 gigabytes. Open Google and search for OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Click the official link. Follow the steps by clicking the appropriate buttons as shown. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. If you face any issues, try using the Google Chrome browser. Step 3. Follow the steps by clicking the appropriate buttons as shown. Click here. Click here. And then click here. Click here. We need the macOS Sonoma installer package. Follow the on-screen instructions to download it. I'll also provide the download URL. Click here. Click here. Click here. The installer will be saved in your Applications folder. Let's verify. Yes, it's installed. All set. Step 4. Now, let's create the macOS installer on the USB drive. Click here. Click here. This process will take about 15 to 20 minutes. It will use approximately 19 gigs of data, so make sure your USB drive is at least 32 gigs. Great. The macOS installer has been successfully created. Step 5. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Click Reboot, and as the Mac restarts, hold the Option key on the keyboard. You'll now see the macOS Sonoma installer screen. Click here. Click here. Select the option to preserve your data or choose the Format option if you want a fresh installation. I will keep my data, so I'm not formatting. The installation will take 20 to 30 minutes. The Mac may restart 4 to 5 times. Do not interrupt the process until you see the login screen. The Mac may restart 4 to 5 times. Do not interrupt the process until you see the login screen. This step is crucial. If done incorrectly, your Mac may not boot from the USB next time. Click Reboot, and as the Mac restarts, hold the Option key on the keyboard. Congratulations! Mac OS Sonoma version 14.3.1 has been successfully installed. Final step. Let's now apply the patch using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. This will finalize the process and ensure everything runs smoothly.